You are working hard every single day, but your career still feels stuck. No promotion, no recognition, no growth. What if the problem isn't your effort, but your environment? Stay with me, because in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you 7 Feng Shui mistakes that are silently blocking your career, and exactly how to fix each one. Feng Shui is not just about decoration. It is about how energy, or qi, moves through your space. And your workspace is one of the most powerful energy zones in your entire home. When the energy is blocked, your career gets blocked too. Let's fix that, one mistake at a time. Mistake number 1. Your desk is facing the wrong direction. In Feng Shui, direction is everything. If your desk faces south, it activates fame and recognition energy, perfect for career growth and leadership. If you are facing a wall directly, you are literally blocking your own future. You are pushing energy away from you instead of drawing it in. The fix? Whenever possible, position your desk to face south or your personal Sheng Qi direction based on your Kua number. Even a small shift can open up tremendous career opportunities. Mistake number 2. You are sitting with your back to the door. This is one of the most common career mistakes I see. When your back faces the door, you are in a vulnerable position energetically. In Feng Shui, this is called the subordinate position, and it signals to the universe that you are not in control of your destiny. You may feel anxious at work, constantly overlooked, or passed over for opportunities without knowing why. The fix is simple. Move your chair so you can see the door from your seat. This is what we call the command position, and it is one of the most powerful changes you can make for your career. Mistake number 3. There is clutter in the north sector of your workspace. The north sector governs career and life path energy in Feng Shui. It is governed by the water element. When this area is blocked with clutter, old papers, broken items, unused equipment, the career qi has nowhere to flow. Think of it like a blocked pipe. The water, your career energy, cannot move forward. The fix? Identify the north corner of your office or desk. Clear it completely. Then place a small water feature, a black or dark blue object, or a career vision image there to activate this zone. Even a glass of water works. One of my viewers rearranged their north corner. Within weeks, they got called for an interview they had been waiting months for. Mistake number 4. Your workspace has the wrong colors. Colors carry energy, and certain colors actively drain career qi. Red and bright orange in excess create fire energy. This can lead to conflict, arguments, and instability at work. Too much white creates excessive metal energy, cold, sharp, and deflecting. The colors that activate career growth? Royal blue, for wisdom, authority, and recognition. Green, for growth and expansion energy. Black accents in the north, for career flow. You do not need to repaint your walls. A blue desk lamp, a green plant, a dark blue pen holder. Small changes, powerful shifts. Mistake number 5. You have broken or dead objects at your workspace. A cracked pen, a broken clock, a dried-out plant. These are not just aesthetic problems. In Feng Shui, broken and dead objects are symbols of stagnant, dying energy. They silently communicate to the universe and to your own subconscious that decay is acceptable in your space. A clock that is stopped? That is your career energy stopped too. The fix is immediate. Go through your desk right now. Remove anything broken, damaged, or dead. Replace with fresh, living energy. A healthy plant, a working clock, clean stationery. Your workspace should feel alive. Mistake number 6. Your career corner is completely empty or ignored. Every home and every room has a career corner, the north sector. And most people leave it completely empty, or worse, store old boxes there. To activate your career energy, this corner needs intention. Place symbols of your career goal here. Your certificates, your business cards, a vision board image of your dream role. Add a water element, a small fountain, a dark blue vase, or even a picture of flowing water. Then, speak your career intention clearly in this space. This is not superstition. This is using your environment as a daily reminder and an energetic anchor for your goals. And mistake number 7, the one that ties everything together. Ignoring the command position. The command position is a core Feng Shui principle. It means you should be able to see the entrance to your room from where you sit, but not be directly in line with the door. You should have a solid wall behind you for support, and you should have open space in front of you for opportunities to come in. When you sit in the command position, you are energetically in control. You feel confident. You make better decisions. You attract recognition. If you remember only one thing from this video, let it be this. Sit in command of your space. Let's recap the 7 mistakes blocking your career in 2026. 1. Wrong desk direction. 2. Back to the door. 3. North sector clutter. 4. Wrong colors draining your energy. 5. Broken or dead objects at your desk. 6. Career corner left empty. 7. Ignoring the command position. Fix even 2 or 3 of these, and you will feel a shift in your focus, in your confidence, and soon in your opportunities. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these 7 mistakes were you making? Comment below. I read every single one. And if you want to go even deeper, check out my full career growth series. The link is right here. Because when your space is aligned, your career follows. Like this video if it helped. Subscribe so you don't miss next week's Feng Shui tip. And I will see you in the next one.